I discovered Rick in 2006. We had this wonderful library of some of the great architects and their works, and I fell in love with Rick's work. The incredible genius with respect to space and light and the earth and the important ingredients that he seems to incorporate in all of his work to remind the occupants of their connection with the earth. My natural instinct was to go straight up the hill to where the most beautiful view corridor was. Rick brought me down to earth, so to speak, in suggesting that there was a reason why homes in rural New England were built near the road, and that was largely because of snow considerations. He said, why don't we create a life experience for you that's built around the pond?
It's an old estate farm, a few hundred acres and a little farm pond. And there was an existing house, and we tore that down and started fresh with the design of a new family house, 4-bedroom house, and a big barn with 8-bedroom guest house on the upper floors. The house itself is a big long gable. One of the traditional gable forms in New England is called the stone ender, where they use on the sheer walls on the ends, it's built of stone. And walking through the stone end, which appears to be very thin from the outside, you discover that it's a maze. And it's important to remove the vista, the big view of the farm, in order to reintroduce it to you in this cropped, framed view once inside. And so, very simply, the kitchen, living, and dining. 3 bedrooms, identical bedrooms for the kids. This is the master bedroom. So again, the other stone end. The interior is lined with spruce with 3/4 and minus knots, so there are these little speckled knots on the finish. We call these the loaf of bread plans, where there's the living room, dining room, kitchen, pantry, bedroom, master bedroom. The construction of the house is a full basement and then a wood framed floor, and then on that floor there's the entry mass of stone and another one on the other end for the master bedroom fireplace. That's what crafts the stone ender. And it's framed with these big steel bents at 12 foot on center, which is the dimension of the sliding doors we have on the north side. And then that's all clad with, they're called SIPS panels. They're sandwich panels with foam in the center and plywood both sides. So that's all attached to the outside to leave the steel vents revealed on the inside. And then that's all clad with a furred out, air-gapped cedar shingle system. The pond, it's going to be, after next summer's construction phase, 4 times the size it is now. And we're building a big stone dam on the east end, and from that we'll capture some electricity from the hydro turbine, so we'll have hydropower too. That combined with the wind tower, the solar, and the geothermal heating and cooling we have here makes the house not only very efficient, but we'll be selling electricity back to the power company very soon. On the entire north side of the house, the floor-to-ceiling sliding doors with big screens allow the place to feel like an outdoor pavilion at times. Now there's a harmonica, and good night, John Boy. Good night, Mary Ellen. Good night, Grandpa.
Thank you.